Hi, my name is Aman and I am a CPA practicing in the Metro Vancouver region of British Columbia, Canada. In this video, I will talk about the latest update on the BC Recovery Grant, which offers non-repayable grants of up to $30,000 or up to $45,000 for hard-hit tourism businesses. I have some good news. The BC government has made it easier for businesses to apply for pandemic relief funding in a series of changes to the small and medium-sized business recovery grant program. The program has been extended to August 31st, 2021 or until the funds are fully expended, whichever comes first. You can now prepare your recovery plan with the option to use your own professional service provider. But please note, if you use your own service provider, they must register and be confirmed by Small Business PC on the Expression of Interest page to receive the funding. Of course, you can choose from an already registered professional service provider like me to help you with the recovery plan. Please note that the service fees for the professional service provider will be funded by the Small Business PC up to $2,000, which will be paid directly to the service provider. So, there will be no service fees to you. But beware that if you do not use a professional service provider or use an unregistered one, service provider funding will not be provided by the Small Business PC. Businesses will now be able to apply if they have a 30% reduction in revenue at the time of application. That's down from the previous requirement of 50%. BC is also allowing newer businesses to apply for the grants. Previously, the business had to be operating for 3 years to get the funding, but that requirement too has been reduced to 18 months only. Businesses also don't need to provide certain remittance account information such as GST number, provincial sales tax number, and WorkSafe BC number that they needed to provide before. Please remember that this is a taxable grant. I strongly encourage small business owners who have been impacted by COVID to apply for the grant. If you want to be notified about our new tax updates, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Until then, bye.